So today we're going to be going over a few Windows 11 tips that are truly awesome. So to begin, the first one we're going to be showing you involves your clock app. So simply go to your search settings and go to your clock app. Click the clock app, open it up, and you'll see here focus sessions. Now what this is just basically a way that you can focus on a specific task without being distracted by, for instance, your notifications or app alerts during each session. So by enabling this, it turns it off and allows you to focus on whatever it is that you're doing. So you can adjust the timer to however you like. You can set daily progress goals. You can adjust and attach your Spotify account to have specific music playing in the background while you're working. And you can also enable certain tasks so that way you know exactly what it is you're working on. This is just a great way to utilize a Windows 11 app to stay focused on specific tasks and improve your overall productivity. The next Windows 11 tip we'll be going over involves multiple desktop usage. So with this, you can actually have your main desktop open with whatever it is that you're working on, and by scrolling down to here and clicking this little icon here, you can see you have multiple desktops that you can use and utilize at any time and add in new ones if you like. So for instance, here we don't have anything truly open other than what we see in the bars down here below, but if we like, we can go to our second desktop where we're open on OpenSea, for instance, and then if we close this out, you'll see, okay, we're back with nothing open here. Let's go back to our original desktop. We're back at our original desktop, and we have all our original icons open. So you can work on one thing and have other desktops open for stuff that maybe you were procrastinating on or stuff that you weren't doing, but you can go interchangeably between the two. The next Windows 11 tip involves your File Explorer. So we can go and type in File Explorer and we'll see what is new here that people constantly overlook. So as you can see here, File Explorer looks pretty much the same, but what's interesting is that you can go up here and add in a new tab. So let's say you were working on something within your devices and drives, but here you wanted to work on something regarding your desktop. As you can see here, we have our desktop open, but over here we have our devices and drives. So this way, we're actually capable of going between the two and working on two different things at once. Now let's say we have this thing, this is our fourth tip, that basically, and it also stays into File Explorer, now we're working on desktop, let's say, and we have our PC section where we're working on devices and drives, and we want to do something in here, but we don't want to lose exactly where we're at. What we can do is we can right click and simply click Duplicate Tab, and that way we have the exact same tab open with everything we were working on. So then here we can keep this and start working into whatever it is we were doing. These are new features on Windows 11 that a lot of people overlook, and it's extremely useful when you're working within File Explorer. Fifth and the last tip that we're going to be covering today involves your clipboard history. So to do this, we're going to open up a Windows tab that we have here. Let's open up the one we have on 11 Labs, and we're going to go ahead and let's say we want to show our clipboard history. We'll simply press the Windows button and the V button. Now this will open up your clipboard history and a bunch of other things that you can utilize. So in our clipboard history right now we have the title of this video that I recently copied, but you also have icons like this where you can utilize emojis, other types of emojis, GIFs, and all kinds of other stuff in the Windows bar, as well as other icons, and as we mentioned earlier, your clipboard history. So to give you an example of this, let's refresh this page, and you'll see 11labs.io. So let's go ahead and copy this. We'll delete it, and we'll open up our little tab, and as you can see here in the clipboard history, we have 11labs.io now. So that's how easy it is to utilize your clipboard history on Windows 11 now, which is a really cool feature. That way you don't have to go searching for things you copied and wanted to paste and maybe lost in the process. It stays saved in your clipboard history now. So if you guys found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and have a nice day.